Command line tools often provide a more efficient way to interact with a service or an API. In this video, I'll show you how to get things done faster with the Cloudinary CLI by doing things like uploading images and tagging them, and managing your account. The Cloudinary CLI is very powerful. It interfaces with the Upload API and the Admin API to perform pretty much any task you want on Cloudinary. It also allows you to do account management processes right from the CLI. Developers love CLI tools because it saves them time and keystrokes so that they don't have to write all the code it would take to interface with the APIs themselves. And you can script CLI tools, making batch operations much easier. Okay, let's get started. Before we use the Cloudinary CLI, we need to set up a few things to get it to run. The first thing we need is Python. It's a programming language that you can download from python.org. Go to the website, hover over the downloads folder, and click Python 3.13. Once the download is finished, go to your downloads folder and double-click the package file. This starts the installation process. Follow the wizard to get Python fully installed. Now that it's done, let's make sure everything is installed correctly. Open up a terminal and type python 3-version. This should correctly show the version of Python that you installed, in this case 3.13.1. Let's also check that pip is installed, which is the package manager for Python. Type in pip3-version to show the version. You should see version 24.3.1 like I have here. Now that we've confirmed everything is installed correctly, let's update our package registry. Type in pip install --upgrade pip and run the command. Once the registry is updated, now we can finally install the Cloudinary CLI. We do this by running pip install Cloudinary CLI. Now that the CLI is installed, we need to go to our Cloudinary account and create an API key. Go to cloudinary.com and log in to get to your dashboard. Once you've logged into your dashboard, click Settings, and then click API Keys. This is where you can create a brand new API key for the CLI. Click Generate New API Key in the top right and follow the steps to create your new API key. It'll come with both an API key and an API secret. Don't share your API secret with anybody. Copy both the API key and the API secret and go back to your terminal. You'll need to export a Cloudinary_URL environment variable in this form in order to authenticate with the Cloudinary services. Copy and paste your API key and your API secret in the format shown here. In this case, @BradGarropy is my cloud name. Yours will be different. After running the export command, let's confirm that Cloudinary is configured correctly. You can run cld, which is the command that starts the Cloudinary CLI, with the config function. This will show you your cloud name, your API key, and your API secret. Again, don't share this secret with anybody. Now we're ready to rock and roll. Let's use the CLI to upload some images to a folder in Cloudinary. This command uploads a directory of images, which is located on my machine at desktop/dogs, into the folder Cloudinary CLI demo. And I've used this extra flag called exclude dir name to not include Cloudinary CLI demo in the file name. After getting a bunch of green messages, we've successfully uploaded 6 images. Let's check our Cloudinary account to make sure that's true. Over in my Cloudinary account, in the Cloudinary CLI demo folder, we now see we have 6 images of some super cute dogs. Let's use the Cloudinary CLI tool to tag some of these images. This golden doodle's name is Charlie, so let's add the tag Charlie to each one of her images. Here's the command to add tags to an image. You call the uploader function with the add tag subfunction, and then we're adding a tag of Charlie to the image called Charlie Sweater in the Cloudinary CLI demo folder. That command completed successfully. Now let's do the other 2 images of Charlie. With that done, let's go check our media library to make sure that happened. Now if we click on this picture of Charlie and go to the metadata tab, you can see that it has a tag of Charlie. Same goes for this other one where she's wearing a sweater, and this other one where she's got those cute eyes. Conversely, you'll notice that these pictures of a dog named Roman don't have tags yet. Now let's go back to the CLI and I'll show you how to remove those same tags. The command to remove tags is very similar to the command to add tags. In this case, we're using the uploader function with the remove all tags subfunction, targeting the Cloudinary CLI demo folder of the image called Charlie Sweater. Let's run this and the other two commands to remove the tags we just added. And we'll head back to the Cloudinary website to confirm this happened. Now, as you can see, we click on a picture of Charlie, go to metadata, and there are no longer tags there. Same with the other two photos. That was just a quick demo of a few things you could do with the Cloudinary CLI. If you run the CLD command, the help menu will show a ton of other things you can accomplish. Look through this list and see how your business can save a bunch of time by automating these processes. In the next video, we'll show you how to use Python to upload images to your Cloudinary account.